Summer is coming, and when that happens, what happens to most HVAC businesses? They become slammed. Summer is coming. Some of you guys have already had a couple of really busy little snaps there as the temperature started to rise. What's going to happen, and you know as well as I do, is that you're going to eventually be slammed and feel kind of overloaded. Whether you're a small business, medium-sized business, or even large businesses, we all experience the same thing. So the phones are ringing, calls are stacking up, estimates are stacking up, quotes are stacking up. Long days, might begin to happen, possibly even some weekend work just to try to get caught up or to try to stay on top of things. But let me ask you a question here. When the busy season is over, do you feel like you're actually getting ahead? And this means just in the business growth overall, but also in the business bank account especially. Because summer is when HVAC businesses actually make their year. A great deal of the revenue that your business is going to see all year long happens in about a 4 or 5 month time span for a lot of businesses. So it's not just about surviving through the summer, it's about winning through the summer so that you can look at your bank account, you can know that you made real progress in your business. But most owners just go through this busy season and they come out the other end, they're tired, they're behind, and they're wondering where the money went. Here's the thing that you have to understand is that volume does not equal profit. So the truth is you don't have a call problem during the summer, you have a conversion or maybe a pricing problem. Because if you're running 4 or 5 calls a day or more and you're still not stacking cash in the bank, something is just definitely off. Every single call that your company goes to do is an opportunity. But most technicians are just fixing the problem and leaving. They're not presenting full options. They're not building value with the customer, and they're not offering upgrades or memberships. So what happens? You run more calls to make the same amount of money. And that's a losing game. There's also a concept called supply and demand. So you are the supply, the demand is customers calling you. And there's a limited supply with what you can do as a business, no matter what size you're at. Yeah, it's on different scales, but there's still a maximum amount of work that your company can produce each day. Anytime that happens, when demand goes up and continues to rise far above supply, so should your price. Your price should go up as well. It's honestly how every business works, but most HVAC business owners, they stay stuck at the same pricing year round. Meanwhile, you're overloaded, your team is just maxed out, and you're probably pushing them too hard. Your schedule is packed, right? And you're still charging like it's slow season, and that just doesn't make any sense. Another thing to consider as we go into busy season is you don't rise during busy season. You fall to your systems, right? So you think maybe that, we're just gonna overcome all of our weaknesses by just getting in there and just, digging deep and putting in the work. But the reality is you're always gonna fall to the level of your system. So a lot of times during the summer is when your biggest weaknesses are truly exposed, because there's going to be a lot of chaos in that particular area of your business. It's magnified. When the demand rises, it gets magnified. And that's because most companies have no call-by-call structure with technicians. There's not enough management happening to see what's actually happening in the field. The KPIs aren't being tracked on a daily basis. There's no accountability. There's no clear targets for the tech. With no clear targets, they don't even know what they're supposed to try to do to succeed in the role that you've put them in. So busy season just becomes chaos, not control. And chaos does not produce profit. So if you're slammed right now, you should be stacking cash, period. If you're not, it's not the market, it's not your guys, it's your business model. I teach a business model that I built based on my growth in my own company, and I share that with other people, and they've had a tremendous amount of success with it as well. Initially, I just had a bunch of strategies that I placed together, but I was able to take a step back from a high-level overview and look at it, and I created this method called the STEP method. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you on a masterclass that's going to happen next Wednesday. I'm going to put a link in the description. Be sure to sign up and register for that class, and I can't wait to share this information with you. Don't let this summer be another summer where you come out the end of it and there's nothing to show for it. It's time for the harvest season. It's time to make your money in your business. It's time to get your systems and processes tightened up as we go into the really busy summer months. So join the masterclass and I'll show you how. I'll see you on the next one. Go make money. Boom.